We have the 2016 Volvo V40. This vehicle has done just over 70,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving onto our screen, we can access
was
radio.
Relentless when he made his move. He was obviously started to kick his legs. He picked up the pace.
Media, smartphone integration and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hit it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.